Hey, this is Dooley, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about what's in my toiletry kit and why I use the things I use. I know a lot of people who are close to me know that I'm a crunchy hippie chick who likes to use all natural products, but if you don't know that about me, I would totally encourage you guys to look at some of the things I do and do them for yourselves to improve your quality of life. The first thing I was going to talk about is tampons. Pretty much all commercialized tampon brands contain stuff in them that are really, really bad for you. For example, rayon, which is made from a wood fiber that can literally get stuck inside your vagina. Also glyphosate, polypropylene. So there's some really bad things. I'm not going to go into depth because you can look this up if you want to. But long story short, you need to use cotton tampons. And not just any kind of cotton tampons, because normal commercial cotton has tons and tons of pesticides on it. So you need to use organic, all-natural cotton tampons. And so I use these, and they're not much more expensive, and they're way better for you. For a long time, I was kind of obsessed with like, oh my god, like smelling so good all the time, and all these fragrances, and I was kind of turned off by natural deodorants because I thought they didn't work, or that they wouldn't work for me, or that, they wouldn't smell good enough. I use Schmidt's because it has no aluminum, no propylene glycol, and no artificial fragrances. A study came out a while ago talking about how most of breast cancer in women is in the area right here next to the boob, but it's still considered like the boob area. And that is right where your lymph nodes are, right next to where you put your deodorant on. And aluminum is known to kind of clog your lymph nodes and then cause genetic mutations. You need to look up the ingredients for yourself, but if you're using something other than natural deodorant, you need to stop doing that. So another thing that I also used to dispatch my mom about is she'd be like, oh, you need to use natural toothpaste, and I was like, okay, that's not going to make my breath smell better. That stuff is a joke, like, I'm not using it. And she finally got me to use this stuff called Hello. It kind of looks like a face wash. I've gotten made fun of it for it looking like that before. But I use Hello because it has no fluoride. Fluoride is also really bad for your brain. Just look up the effects of fluoride and you'd be like, oh my god. Here it says it has no dyes, artificial sweeteners, artificial flavor. One time I switched over to a non-natural toothpaste because I didn't have my Hello with me, and the next morning my breath smelled bad. Hello also has some toothbrushes that are hard, or really, really bad for your enamel and really bad for your teeth health. And these toothbrushes have super, super soft bristles, and you guys should definitely check those out as well. So these are just a few things that I use to better my body and prevent damage from happening to my body. You guys just let me know if you want to know about anything else I use. Let me know what you guys think, like or subscribe, and I hope you guys choose to do these things for your own health, and it'll really better you in the long run for the most part.
Remember me to the one who lives there. She once was